Hello, 8th graders. I'd like to welcome you to the library. In this presentation, I'm going to walk you through numbers 1, 2, and 3 in your library orientation assignment. If you follow these directions carefully, I think you should be successful completing the assignment. So let's look at number 1. You're asked to go to the FXD shelving area and find a specific book. We give you the call number. The call number is right here. For this assignment, it's FXD 629 RAU. Keep in mind that all of you have a different assignment. Now, where do you go to look for that book in our library? Well, the FXD section of our library is now in the back left-hand corner. So you head towards the back of the library and you turn left, and that's where all the books are shelved. And when you look at a book, you look at the spine label to see if that number on the spine label matches up exactly with the number on your sheet. If it does, you bring it to one of the librarians on duty, and we will put our initials right next to that call number to indicate that you have found the correct book. And then you're going to use that book to complete number 2. What we have here on the sheet are a bunch of blank lines where you're going to put the title of the book, the author, the publishing company, and the date of publication. Now, where do you find that information? Well, there's a title page, and on that title page will be the title of the book and the author's name. If it's a long title, which it is here, I've just used the main part of the title, and then I've put the author's name. Now, where do I find this publishing information? Well, there's also a page in a book called the copyright page, and usually that page will have the date of copyright and the name of the publishing company. Sometimes the name of the publishing company will be on the title page, so it's up to you to figure that out. So you take all that information and you plug it in to this spot in number 2 on your assignment. And then we'll move on to number 3. You're going to use the same book for number 3. And we want you to figure out what page you would look on in that book to find information on a particular topic. This person, the person who has this sheet, the topic is telemetry. Now, you can go through a book page by page trying to figure out where there's information on a topic, or you can go to the index, which is in the back of the book. You can look up the term, there it is, telemetry, and find out that you could look on page 25 and or page 26 to find information. So for my answer to number 3, I'm going to put in 25 because that's the page number where I'll find information on telemetry. Once you've completed that, you're done with that particular book. Please return it to one of the librarians. Do not put it back on the shelf. Just return the book to one of us, and we'll take care of putting it back on the shelf because we want you to move on and continue working on this assignment. So, thank you very much for your attention. Always remember when you're working on this assignment that if you're confused at all, you need some help, don't hesitate to ask one of the librarians for assistance. Thank you very much for your attention.